Hi, I'm Pascal. I'm the co-founder of CoinAnalyst, CEO. My background, macroeconomist, and 8 years of big data and AI.
Hi, my name is Toby. I'm the CTO of CoinAnalyst. I'm a programmer and specialized in IT security. I'm also a crypto trader since 2 years.
Hi, I'm Martin. I'm the product manager of CoinAnalyst and my background is user experience design.
Where do we come from? Well, in 2010, we came from basically Cogia. Cogia is a company that built big data and AI for customer satisfaction analysis. We cater customers like BMW, Lufthansa, Volkswagen, etc. And with that, we want to show you that we actually have experience in building professional products. And with CoinAnalyst, we will do the same. What have we identified is we looked at the crypto market and saw that there is a lot of intransparency because we have over 2,000 cryptocurrencies already now. It makes it impossible to monitor them all manually. Secondly, the market is extremely volatile, reacting extremely heavily on news, fake news, pump and dump, scams. All of those things cause volatility on the prices of cryptocurrencies. Then what we did is we looked at the market and saw, wow, there's over 20 million crypto traders already now. There are 100 million FX traders that are looking at this market already, and 4 billion eventually customers that all going to have tokens. And we believe the blockchain is going to be the revolution, we believe everybody's going to have a token. And if everybody's going to have a token, they will need a secondary market where they will want to trade it. And for that, then they need again a tool that will help them analyze the market and the situation of the market. And for that, we build an AI-based big data analytics platform. And Martin will share a little bit further what we have done.
So you see already the three interfaces we developed for different target groups and different levels of experience in crypto trading. And what we basically do is we bring together all news and voices about cryptocurrencies in one place and more. And so one thing is we identify the really relevant news. So you don't have to follow all the different news and Telegram groups, for example. Our machine does it for you. And so you can wait until your smartphone tells you, hey, there is something potentially relevant. And then there is sentiment.
Yeah, I mean, the market is extremely volatile to sentiment. Due to the fact that there's no price-earning ratio in the crypto market, the emotionality is even more critical. And that's what we can help you identify, if it's positive or negative. On top of that, the problem as of now is that the market is not regulated. Due to that, we have lots of scams. And also for that, Tobias has built a solution for you.
Yeah, we built a scam detector on analyzing all the scams that happened in the past. For example, BitConnect, we heavily analyzed it, and with that we are able to give you a warning immediately if the scam messages and all those things are rising.
On top of that, actually, we were the first even to introduce a fake news detector.
Yeah.
That's what we're proud of. How are we built? Well, we have a big data architecture that...
Yeah, in the last years, we already developed this architecture and software which does the following. It crawls the internet, it crawls social media, forums, magazines, blogs, and so on, and creates a huge index of already 1 billion documents. And then we can analyze this communication by using natural language processing and adding market data. And this allows us
basically then with the AI that we have applied as well to the system to be able to identify sentiment, fake news, scams, trade intentions, stuff like that, even pump and dump.
Yeah, we are heavily working on crawling Telegram as well because there's a lot happening in groups who are talking about cryptocurrencies, and we also have really amount of pump and dump groups, and with our bot we are also able to identify pumps immediately and send you a warning.
So we're not just tech geeks, We also have come up with a very solid business plan and a business model that is sustainable. Number one, we have a software as a service model for the mass market to target the 20 million plus traders now. And we are having a UI for the institutional crypto funds, family office investors, and they get a different UI, still using the same platform in the bottom, but using a different UI, catering their needs and their analysis capabilities. On top of that, we also have an API to cater to the exchanges to give them their information as feeds or XML streams. Well, let's get down to the token. What benefits does the token bring? You want to share that?
Yeah. First, you need to have the Koi token to use and purchase our services. And then when you have it, the more tokens you hold, the more discounts you get on those purchases. And then there's one thing which is really interesting for me as a product manager, which is voting rights on future features, which means the more tokens you have, the more influence you have on our roadmap. And then there's Stop Loss 2.0.
Absolutely. Stop Loss 2.0 is my baby, basically. Basically, we try to revolutionize Stop Loss. Stop Loss has, it was always a number. Now with Stop Loss 2.0, we collect the news, feed those news sources, 5 trusted news sources that say, for example, this is a scam. Those news sources then get fed to the Oracle. The Oracle then triggers the smart contract to sell your position instantly. We will not wait till it hits the stop loss to minimize your loss. But that's not all. We also have thought of the traders, and Tobias is going to share with you all the benefits.
We have done many things for the traders. Martin told it already. The whole discount, that also means that more people we have that use our product, they more whole because they want to get their benefit. That means less supply in the market. We also have a token buyback program. That means with the profit of CoinAnalyst, we buy 20% of our profits, we buy the token back from the market. That also creates more or less supply. And we also have a burning model. That means every time somebody buy our service, a certain percent of the token get burned. And with that we also create less supply. And the last thing is we only sold tokens will be minted.
So, all of that done by an experienced team. You met Tobias, Martin, myself. Mark Dumber, I want to highlight, he was the CFO at NATO and managed over $2 billion. We're glad to have him part of our team. We are overall 24 people that have worked together for many years, up to 8 years. And for you, we have come up with a very special offer that we offer you not only tokens, but if you want, you can also buy equity or have a hybrid model, buy both tokens and equity. You have the choice. The key thing is we want you to support us to make CoinAnalyst successful and be part of our journey. Thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time.
I hope to see you soon. Bye.
Bye-bye.